Welcome to the other side of Adelaide.
You look away while I'm falling. You take your time while I'm calling. Oh, what a way to waste my time, but never mind, 'cause I'm all in. I knew from the start I was all in. With the hard part.
We are currently packing because we are heading to Glenelg for an overnight trip. Kasi si Mike, sumali siya sa raffle. And then, he won a $100 voucher sa accommodation. So, we'll be staying there overnight. So, yung accommodation na binook namin is $220. So, yung $100 voucher, we'll use that. So, ang babayaran na lang namin is $120. Then, magsuswim siya kasi sobrang init today. What's the highest temp? 34 degrees yung highest temp later. Sa ako hindi, definitely no, kasi mainit.
Yung planned jog dapat sa morning.
Oo, initially.
Since mainit, swim na.
We tried before tumakbo dun sa Glenelg ng mataas yung temp, parang 29 ba? 29 nung tumakbo kami last time. Oh my gosh, sobrang hindi siya advisable kasi unang-una, tirik na tirik yung araw. Pangalawa, habang tumatakbo ka, may mga langaw, sobrang daming langaw. And yung langaw, nagsistick talaga siya sa'yo, hindi sila natatakot. Talagang sila, meron silang separation anxiety. Hindi sila makaalis. Sabi ko, hindi ko yun ulitin. Try namin tumakbo sa gabi. So we will do a night run instead. Let's go! We are going to Glenelg!
Break your heart, but whatever, 'cause I know it doesn't matter, 'cause you never cared. But I still get anxious when I see you near. Now my hands feel heavy, like they don't belong on my body. Now I'm thinking, tell me what you're doing, what you're doing.
May dala pa siya ganyan. Dalawang banda.
Annoying, so annoying.
Ayun. Very nice. Simple lang siya. This is our room for tonight. Simple lang, but it's nice, no?
Yeah.
This is the bathroom. Yan. Yan siya. Natin to. And then, this one is the shower. Yan. Not bad. Pwede. Ganda pa ng location.
Free.
Free chips.
My favorite.
Nakalagay?
Oh, complimentary gift. Complimentary.
Tapos nandun yung beach. So, sobrang lapit lang. As in, talagang nasa center to. Ganda yung location niya. Nasa may beachfront. Tapos, surrounded by restaurants. Perfect. Good job, Michael. Good job. Siya yung nag-book nito, hindi ako eh. Ako, passenger princess, ika nga. Chat.
What's been going on inside of your head? Text been getting heavy, so you leave it on red. Don't worry, it's no hurry.
Matchy-matchy. The damit. Hyrox shirts.
So, let's go to this.
Let's go to the Beats Eats. Let's go get away. Sobrang init. Like, what's the temp right now? 31.
28 pala.
28. Tapos expected highest is 35. So we'll see. Or 34, whatever. Whatever.
The breeze is kind of cool.
Knox, the breeze is kind of cool. Knox? The breath.
Now I'm thinking, tell me what you're doing to me. Once I can't find and I'm down on my
Ako hindi magsuswim. Siya lang ang magsuswim. Babasain mo ba itong
Hindi.
t-shirt mo? Sige. Mag-sunscreen ka na. Kunin mo yung sunscreen, lagyan kita sa likod. Nakaka-tempt lang mag-swim. Pero hindi talaga carry, babe, kasi andito pa yung monthly visitor ko, masyadong cannot be. Dito ka para if ever hangin, dito babagsak yung sa sand. Sobrang bulok nito mag-contact lens. My God, this is a piece of cake for me. Well, ibang years ako nag-contact lens kaya kaya-kaya ko nang hanggang sa labi. So ako, habang nagsuswim ka, mag-edit na lang ako ng video. Wow. Sige, go. Yung bunbunan mo. Yung bunbunan. Sige. Punta kami prepared kasi wala kaming, ano tawag dyan? Beach towel.
Sa mat.
Beach towel, I think. Wala kaming ganun eh. So, hindi ako makapaglatag. Meron akong towel, pero isa lang yung dala ko. Anyway, it's fine. Next time, we'll be more prepared. Wow, ma. Pakita mo yung abs mo. Pakita mo yung abs mo. Where's your abs? Abs.
Ang lamig! Ang lamig!
Arm.
Maybe it's cold.
Kabila. Likod. Sakto maaraw. Magpatuyo ka muna, ha?
Oo.
Ganyan ka lang muna, ha?
Oo.
Flaunt mo lang yung abs mo, ha? Wow! Uy! Nakakaya. Feel na feel, yes! Aussie!
Yan na, yan na. Yan na, yan. Yan na, yan. Yan na.
Tell me what's been going on inside of your head. Text been getting heavy, so you leave it already. Don't worry,
Yeah, because it's sourdough.
hurry. Just tell me what you're doing to me. I hate that I can't speak my mind, and the things I say don't come out right. What a way to waste my time. So tell me what you're doing to me. One second find that I'm down on my knees. It's annoying, so annoying. Tell me what's been going on inside of your head. Text been getting heavy, so you leave it already. Don't worry,
The other side of the athlete. The other side, sorry.
doing to me. I shouldn't rush things, you know I know that. But it's kinda hard when it's something that I want so bad. I'm second guessing what I was sure of. You're secretly inside, I'm dying.
Entree, ano yan? Fishball. Right? Fishball. Thank you. This one is Pat Kapaw Seafood. Thank you. Soft shell crab
Pad Thai.
pad thai. At the squid to, di ba? Pad thai. Sarap nga. Kakain tayo na bumaba yung araw para makatakbo.
Sunset Run.
Inabot na kami ng
8 o'clock
8 p.m. So just so you know, pakita ko sa inyo sa labas. That's currently 8 p.m. Ayan, bumababa na yung araw. So we can finally run. It's time to run. Let's go. Fit check. So ako, I'm wearing the exact outfit I was wearing during my High Rocks race. Except the shoes. I'm wearing Adios 9, Adidas. And then ito from Muscle Republic.
Ito ang High Rock shirt from that event.
Puma. This is
Puma, tapos
Adidas.
shorts, and Pro 4.
Let's go.
Never seems to last, it feels criminal. It feels hypocritical.
Isa dito, nagutom.
Yung leftover parang
Leftovers namin yan kanina sa During lunchtime.
5K lang, nakakagutom ka.
Oh. Actually, medyo nakakaramdam na rin ako ng gutom. Sarap? Yeah.
Oh.
Want it too much, we lose it so fast. What you try to control never seems to last. It feels criminal, hypocritical. And I made up my mind, I'll lose it like that. I thought I knew what I thought I
Makbo. Siyempre. Chips. Vacation mode kami. Correct? Vacation mode. Calories don't count when you're on vacation. Good morning! We are looking for a breakfast place. And I am sick. Hanap kami ng makakainan ng breakfast.
I wish I'd meet a pretty girl on Instagram. She'd like my band and say that she was a singer just like me.
Didn't expect it to be this good.
Yeah, French toast is big eh.
Sabi ko, light lang ako.
Kaya sabi ko, bakit gusto mo ng French toast? For me, eggs, Benny.
True. I wish that I would find you. She'd live on a farm in the countryside with a big old barn and horses to ride. Paradise with a front porch swing. Her mom and dad would be my best friends. We'd laugh all day and at the end kiss goodnight and start it all again.
Worst situation ever. You're sick while on vacations. Ang tagal ng Uber. We are home!
Every night under the lights and trying out brand new tricks with brand new faces. But I'm tired of staying up late. I can never stay. The beauty of settling down with the one
Sabi gisipin kanin pa yan.
Sometimes all I wanna do is be at home next to you.
Sobrang
What do you say?
wrong
Ways that
timing
we
naman
could
itong
be
sakit ko.
doing nothing.
First things first.
We could just sit here in the silence saying nothing. You could just hold my hand cause I've never been more.
Glenelg situation. Workout today and hindi rin ako makaka-workout tomorrow. And we're just watching Culinary Wars.
You could just hold my hand while we'd be doing nothing. Thought I'd scare you out.